Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power and confirming the circuit is off. This prevents shocks and accidental turn-on. Once done, wait 10-15 minutes so the bulb and fixture cool. Heat makes glass fragile. Make sure you wear gloves and eye protection to avoid cuts and debris, and position a stable ladder or step stool so you can reach the spotlight comfortably. Place a tray beneath the fixture to catch the bulb if it drops. This reduces breakage and cleanup. You now remove the bulb by first supporting the fixture or trim. Stabilizing prevents damage. Depending on the base, bayonet, GU10, or screw, use the correct motion. Push and twist, straight pull with slight rotation, or unscrew counterclockwise. If the bulb is stuck, make sure the power remains off and use penetrating spray sparingly on metal parts. Then gently rock and wiggle while keeping steady pressure. Make sure to catch the bulb in the tray and set it down on a soft cloth to avoid. You finish by inspecting the socket and trim for corrosion or damage. Any burnt contacts mean replace the socket before a new bulb goes in. Once clear, clean the contacts with isopropyl on a non-metal brush so connections remain solid. If a bulb breaks, make sure the power is off, ventilate the space, and collect shards with gloves and damp paper towels. Don't use your bare hands. A key troubleshooting tip: if the new bulb flickers, recheck seating and tightness. Then confirm the.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.